Hello everyone, today we're going to be watching Chainsaw Man episode 4. So on the previous episode of Chainsaw Man, I was forced to care about a cat more than I ever have in my life. I'm still distressed. Oh, and then of course Power and the cat have now been eaten by the bat monster. Let's see if Power and Meowy both return to us in one piece. Power, honey, you need to calm that down.
Man, Power be living wild before Makima found her.
Yeah, that's true.
Man.
Girl, you just gotta calm this down.
I'm surprised she doesn't have like a whole host of diseases.
Right?
Surely they wouldn't show us this just for Meowy to be dead, right?
I don't know. How cool are they?
血は好きじゃん。味も匂いも死を感じるのも。それで最近初めて分かったんじゃ。血は温かくて。
How are you just now learning that?
気持ちがいい。
Don't judge her. She's special.
Oh, Meowy's fun!
Aw.
Yes!
Now he looks so much fatter there.
Well, yeah, she's been eating good.
Yeah. Oh, they're both safe!
Hooray!
なぜわしを助けた？海を殺そうとしたのに。
Well, you had boobs. Yep.
Oh
I already knew.
God.
I can. Digi is so easy to read now.
I'll beat that child. Goodness.
I see his fingers are covered.
That's good.
Oh.
You know, at least he didn't do it while he was just laying there. That's great.
Yeah, well, yeah. He waited for the go-ahead. He's like...
Yes!
Well, that's a mood killer.
Yeah.
Oh, no, please, for the love of God. Okay. I was like, if this cat gets eaten again...
It's just eating his arm, it's fine. What you said about it eating the cat.
Yeah. I'm not a fan of this devil, I'm just gonna be the first to say.
That's
It looks
okay.
disgusting. It's like
really
a
does.
worm with udders. I'm not a fan.
Aw, Power. Please get out of here with Meowy.
Not, he only went half chainsaw. You never go half chainsaw.
This poor
やっと見つけたのに。あんたでしょ？コウモリちゃん殺したの。私の男だったのに。
poor thing. Weird.
あら。よく見ると可愛い
You know, I'd imagine that's
顔。
about where Mr. Batman's
好みの
standards
顔してる
are.
から逃がしてあげる。
You're my type.
後ろの奴らは
殺す。じゃあ、死
We
に
doing
な。
hand-to-hand combat now.
Giant worm creature.
I should say hand to tentacle.
Yes, he is dumb.
Yes, we are also surprised at the lengths he will go to, Power.
The boy is dumb.
Or determined.
Both.
嘘でしょ？こんな子犬ちゃんにコウモリは殺されちゃったの？コウモリは
See, I
私
have
と一緒に人
a
間を
case
す
of
べて食べる夢を
chainsaw
見てい
dysfunction
た。
right now.
無謀だけど崇高で素敵な夢。それを子犬程度にぶち壊され
And a
た。
noble dream.
殺すのはもったいない顔だけど死んでちょうだい。
胸揉む前に死ねっかよ。
The
だ
standards.
からな
That is
低
thank
俗
you.
な
I
欲
agree
望を
with
持
the
つや
worm
つに
demon.
殺されたものね。かわいそう。コウモリ。
That's pretty bad.
みんな俺にやること見下しやが
Well,
って
yes,
よ
they're bad points.
復讐だの家族守りたいだの猫救うだの
At least he's doing
こうだの
stuff.
みんな偉い夢持ってていいなじゃあ夢バトルしようぜ夢バトル俺がてめえをぶっ
If I murderize you,
てめえの夢船もむこといかない
吠えたらかわい
I'm a fan of the
い
logic.
吠えろ吠えろまあまあまあまあいいよ私が止めてあげる
I would not enjoy running around in bat intestines.
We're not either. I'm getting a beating from the worm demon thing.
Is power gonna save him? Nope. Oh, we're going nuts now.
Well, I mean, it's green. He was never fully there.
Well, you know, relative to normal, you know.
He's still my child, though. I still love him.
Well, that's good. That's all that matters at the end of the day. Yeah, headbutt him. Come on, power. Oh, nope.
No. It's the bestie!
こん
What?
The bestie
Oh my
has a
god.
box or something.
Oh, that's cool.
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？
Please do.
よし
That gives me Naruto vibes. 100%.
Same.
人人は生存者の救出保護と避難誘導
Man, he's got the
悪
squad.
魔の警戒をお願いします
よし
I like her too.
Sees a character for literally 2 seconds.
お前と血の魔人は事情聴取
Judge of character.
Meowy's thankful.
Yeah?
猫は動物病院で健康状態
Aw,
の
they're
確認
taking care of the cat!
Nice.
お前の腕
Oh, thanks.
輸血したらくっついたらしい
What about the giant
てめえだって
hole in
悪
his
魔と仲良
stomach?
く話してただろ
Fine.
俺は見てたぜ本当に何も知らねえんだなデビルハンターは悪魔と契
that's
約
pretty
して悪魔
impressive.
と戦う俺は狐の悪魔と契約している力を借りる代わりに体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ今回は皮膚を食わした痛そう
Oh, bestie. You being
悪魔
mean.
は常に人の死を望むそれは
This is
魔
pretty
人の話だ
par for the chorus.
Yes.
いいやつだぜお前血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろ
She sure did.
理由はわからないがお前はまた悪魔に肩入れしているなさあどうでしたかな
娘がチェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと
Oh, Denji's turned it into a hero now.
悪魔に会社でクッチマンって言われて逃げたんですけどよ
My
く見れば
baby.
公安の服を着ていたしお礼を言いたくて
男の命なんて知るかって悪魔が俺ごと車を投げたんだチェンソーの頭に刺さった
My baby too.
俺がもっと詳しく調べて上に報告すれ
He's
ば
still trying to just get
血
those
の魔
out.
人もそれをかばったお前も処分される俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと
Denji's like, I didn't think I'd get this
お前
far.
はバカでガキで道徳がない俺はお
He's
前
not
の
wrong.
先輩だし社会正義も持っているつもりだ俺の言うことを聞いていれば お前は今の生活を守れるぜ。どうだ、分かったら返事。
おう、頭に入れといてやら。あんたらみてえにご立派な目標はねえし、しょぼい夢しかねえけどよ。てめえと同じぐらい、俺、マジでやっからさ。どーんと期待しといてくれ。
I'm serious about some boobs.
He really
Don't
is.
mistake me.
とりあえず敬語を覚えとけ。
See, they're such good besties.
それも考えといてやるよ。
I'm still not convinced.
No, I love it. I love it. It's so good.
なあ、無罪だったじゃろ。
No, you're not.
わかったらさっさとこれを外せ。
俺たちはデビルハンターです。悪魔でも魔人でも使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。
Don't let it happen again.
利用するだけです。慣れ合うつもりはないですよ。
He is making friends. Don't let him fool you.
ご苦労様。でも、デンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っ
Credit
ちゃ
where
った
it's
んだね。
due.
奴らは信じがたいほどのバカですから。
人海エリア内からの逸脱は違反行為だけど、
今回は死者も出ま
He's
せん
very
でした
by
し
the rules.
結果として
Yeah.
悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから、不問にしてよろしいかと。
And look, he's protecting his bestie.
If that's what you want to call it.
では
I don't know why you don't see it this way.
早川君も少し頭が柔らかくなった。
Look, she even notices
デ
it.
ンジ君と
Look,
一緒に
look
住んで
at
る影
this.
響かな。
Okay, maybe a little.
まさか
I just have the Dexter theme song playing in my head right now.
I just keep
bet.
thinking about how he could do with a little bit longer hair.
Oh my
Make me very
god.
happy.
Of course.
It's who I am.
I'm well aware.
Yeah.
狭い家じゃの
We're living with them now?
It would appear so.
早川君家の部屋一つ、パワーちゃんに
Oh.
貸してほ
See,
しい。
she's cruel to Hayakawa.
君なら、デンジ君とパワーちゃ
I
ん
would not want to live
いい
with
子供
power.
になれるからね。
I'm gonna be the first
なん
to
で俺の家
say.
にやばいやつばかり集めるんですか。
Yeah.
私が早川君を一番に信用しているか
I
ら
would
だ
not
よ。
want this in my house.
She's there for a total of 5 seconds and it's already
ず
chaos.
っとこっちに住まわせるのも変だしね。心配しなくてもパワーちゃん。
And you believed
できる
her?
って言って
She
たから
said she would behave. What does that even
大
mean?
丈夫だよ。
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
野菜は嫌いじゃん。
Okay, that I agree with.
Yeah, I agree. Oh.
野菜を投げるな。
Oh man, Hayakawa's gotta be a dad now.
He is. He is.
トイレ
Little did he know.
クソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。
流せ。
せんだよ。
風呂はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ。
せんだよ。
See, Power's the worst roommate ever.
人間は繊細じゃのう。なあやこ。
Hayakawa's gonna kill
I
her.
mean, Meowy's pretty cute though.
そうも流せねえよ、悪魔は。野菜も残すし。
Look at my boy. He's growing up.
お
I'm
い、
glad
クソ
he
悪
is
魔。
shit devil.
てめえこそこびりついて取れねえんだよ。
Oh, and now it's gonna be fine.
あ
Oh my god.
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから。揉め。
Man, I'm nervous for him.
どうした嬉しいじゃろ。
Where you at?
揉め揉め。
Imagine how mad he would be if he ruins this for him.
胸を揉んでいい回数は3揉みじゃ。
三も
ニャーコを助けたのが1揉み。コウモリを殺したので2揉み。そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので3揉みじゃ。胸を揉ませるのは嘘だったんじゃが、うぬの頑張りに報いての3揉み。
Well.
ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
Why, thank you, Power-san. I shall, indeed, respectfully.
Oh my gosh.
天使。
Oh my god.
My boy's still dumb. He
This
still
was,
has the dumb.
a different type of cliffhanger.
That's true. I really hope Dad walks in on.
I swear something has to happen to interrupt this.
Yeah.
It's too soon for him.
Oh.
This is gonna kill his motivation. Or it could be like, I've had a taste. now I need more.
You know, at least currently, Denji might agree that Power is best girl.
Well, yeah. He is very easily swayed. Let me remind you.
I'm aware. I've seen. Thank you guys for joining us today. This was quite an episode. I'm really glad that Meowy's safe. Oh my goodness. I still can't believe I care so much for this cat. But it's exciting to see Power now moving in with the guys, and hopefully that goes well. We'll
it's
see.
not going to. You already know. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be funny though, either way.
That's true. And we've got a good, lovely cliffhanger for next time to see if Denji gets his wildest dreams fulfilled.
Yep.
So if you like what we do and you're excited to see new content, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can be notified when we drop new content. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.